Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to enable or disable ESP, so Electronic Stability Program. So first of all, let me show you how to access this feature. All you need to do is use your home screen. Let's swipe a few times until you see the last page with settings. The settings are with the car icon, so let me tap. In this example is of course GLB. Here you can choose one of the following tabs. Let's choose the first one, which is Assistance. Under Assistant, you've got the second settings, which is Collision Avoidance. Let's tap it. And here the first on the list is ESP. Let's enable this feature. Let's just tap it. And as you can see, the system offers assistance when pulling away on wet or slippery roads and can stabilize the vehicle when braking. As you can see, I've got this feature enabled, but you can disable this by using the off button, and basically you just put your car into manual traction control. So right now the car is not monitoring your stability. You are using this on your own. But if you would like to go back to the electronic stability control, let's just put your finger here on the on button and you will use it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.